What's up, guys? Happy Friday. It is Friday, February 28th, 9 a.m. And happy end of the month as well, too. Thank God, because February was brutal. Let's hope March is going to be better, much better. So I'm going to go into a couple key things that I wanted to just shoot out before heading out for the weekend. We're going to start off with kind of just basically what I'm watching for to know that the dust has settled. And remember, think back to the past weeks here in February. Friday has always been brutal going into the weekend, and then Sunday and then Monday, usually around like early in the week, Monday, Tuesday, we then see the dust settle. So I'm expecting the same thing. Whatever happens today, we could see a good pop, but in my opinion, the dust has not settled until early next week for the new start of the week and the new start of the month. So that's that. But what's good is we came down and finally filled this CME gap from November for Bitcoin. And what's even better and what you like to see is now there's a gap up here around 92.5K to 94.5K. So beautiful. We fill the gap to the downside. Now we got a gap to the upside. So that's one big thing I wanted to cover. We filled that and now we have one to the upside. Also as well too with the Stargate signals, I want to go to the total crypto chart because it's pretty crazy. Like if we look here, man, we're mainly looking at the 1 day prepare to buy soon. We're looking at the 1 day buy signals here. And in the past, 2025, 2024, in the past 3 years for the total crypto market cap, we've only seen two, right here in August of 2023 and then August of 2024. And now we're seeing one now in February 2025, prepare to buy soon. And if we look at kind of what happened after a buy now signal came in, usually, we'll spend some time working ourselves out. We'll spend we'll spend a little time working ourselves out, but then we go into our next big move. And then we had this as well too. Our buy now, spend a little time working ourselves out, our next big move. So let's say we match it up and see how this could play out comparatively to the past. We could see us bottoming out here this weekend or early next week, going sideways for March into April, and then March could just be a little choppy as far as the total crypto market cap. We could see some outperforming altcoins with some narratives and everything, but it's really not till spring hits where we start to spring in price, and then we could see a top come in July. In July, the ultimate top could come in July, or potentially could extend out into September. So if we're going to do anything like before with this 1 day buy now signal, working ourselves out, 1 day buy now signal, working ourselves out, that gives us kind of a new timeline, given we've seen a shift of the market structure and we're seeing something different as of the past months. So I thought that was very interesting, seeing that 1 day prepare to buy soon. Absolutely huge. It's just a matter of when that 1 day buy now flashes, we know the dust has settled and we're good. And then looking at Bitcoin, we need to see the 1 day buy now on Bitcoin flash as well too. Because if we look here, so we have a 1 day prepare to buy soon right now. We're at the 1 day 200 moving averages. We want to see the 1 day buy now flash just to know that we're at least, we're not just going to melt all the way down, that we're at least at a local bottom. But also too, I think we got a 2 day prepare to buy soon, maybe. We got a 2 day prepare to buy soon. The last time we did that was back here in July 2024, and then back here in September 2023 before the next big move up. Let's see if we got a 3 day. That'd be huge. So no 3 day. But yeah, we got the 2 day. We got the 1 day. If we go to the 12 hour, I'm sure we don't have a buy now yet. So yeah, if we can see that 12 hour buy now come in, and then ultimately that'll spill into the 1 day, which will then spill into the 2 day, and then it's game on. And we're still holding the 2 day 200 moving average here, which we have done since this whole bull market, August 2023, and then August 2024. And if we were to go lower, we absolutely need to hold 72K when candle body closes. And then if we can do that, hold down here, and I have like a little fractal here, we can hold, and then we see the buy now, then it's likely we're heading to our next final move up, the blow off top for Bitcoin. So that's what I'm watching. That's what I'm really looking for, to know that the dust has settled for Bitcoin, for the total crypto market cap. And then looking at others, if we go to the 4 day the 4 day chart, we haven't seen these signals here flash since we haven't seen the 4 day buy now flash since September 2024, which ultimately led to altcoins having their big move up for those few couple of months. We have a 4 day prepare to buy soon right now. So let's say we're to do something similar, right? 4-day prepare to buy soon, that flash here, then the buy now came in. Let's say it followed the same kind of timeline. We're talking about, and let's say we might go a little bit lower if Bitcoin does as well too. That brings us out to, June where we see that high come in, or July, and it could be more explosive, but we're just more so looking at the time analysis here. So yeah, we're seeing some very high time frame prepare to buy soons across the board. Even looking at this, we have a 5-day prepare to buy soon. We haven't seen those signals flash since the bear market bottom in 2022 for altcoins in 2023. Yeah, like the dust has almost settled. We just need to see some confirmation signals come in for the Stargate signals here. So that's what I'm watching. I hope you guys have a good Friday, have a good day at work, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. If you can't stand the blood and the charts and you're getting emo over it, just log out, don't even look, come back early next week, and hopefully the sun's shining by then. But yeah, don't stress out, man. Like we don't just keep going down, 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 down. We're seeing these high time frame signals. We're seeing massive fear across the market. It's very likely we're gonna see a bottoming out very, very soon. Either we've already bottomed or just a tiny bit lower. So that's going to be it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment, join the Discord, link in the bio for that. And over this weekend, if you haven't already seen all the 2025 price prediction videos, man, in the Discord, I had shot out a ton yesterday, 2 days ago, I believe. HBAR, we got Litecoin, we got Proton, and then there's a channel in here, Moonshot Targets, where all the other ones are there as well too that I've done. And I'm going to be whipping and cooking and dishing up more as well. But I've been up since Tuesday, so I need to take a nap. When I wake up, I'll do that. So I'll see you guys there and in the next video.